Well. I just finished watching Shane Dawson's Jake Paul docu-series thing, and basically that's it. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and today I have a really fun video for you guys. So basically, I went to Austin last week, Austin, Texas. I went to the ACL Festival, Austin City Limits, and I saw Shawn Mendes live. So yeah, I did that, but I also did a lot of shopping. I went with my mom, and we shopped a lot. I went to a lot of beauty places, Sephora, Ulta, Drugstore, Target, whatever. So today, I'm going to show you what I got at the drugstore. Ulta and Sephora hauls are coming soon, but for today, I just wanted to focus on the drugstore. So yeah, I have mostly things from Target, but I did get a few things from Ulta and other places as well, but they're all drugstore. So I'm going to show them to you guys. If you want to know what I got at the drugstore, how many times can I say drugstore? I don't know. Just keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's start with the only thing that isn't makeup. I got this lovely clear makeup bag from Sonia Kashuk. Honestly, I've seen a lot of these on Instagram. Everybody's posting like their pictures with their clear makeup bags, and I just wanted it, so I got it. It was really inexpensive, and it fits quite a bit of product in here, so yeah, really liked it, and I needed a makeup bag to carry all the things that I got, because it didn't fit in the one that I traveled with, so yeah. Next up, I got this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Multi-Use Concealer Corrector. Oh, that is in French. So yeah, multi-use concealer. This conceals, illuminates, and hydrates, and this is in the shade N12 Fair. The color selection was kinda weird. This is what it looks like. I don't understand. This is like a sponge tip applicator thing, right? Obviously. And you twist it like this, and the product is supposed to come out. And this is pretty pink. Honestly, you're probably not going to be able to tell. It's this right here. But yeah, not a lot is coming out right now. And the reason that I got this is because Alana Davison was raving about it recently. So I was like, if she loves it, I need to get it. And yeah, I've only tried this once. It was okay. It was really affordable. I don't love the sponge tip applicator thing. It's not my favorite, but it works. And it's a little fair for me. It's a little pink, but I was still able to pull it off, and it was really inexpensive. So yeah, I'm excited for this. Yee! And then I have my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. This is the Natural Glow Enhancer, and this is in 902 Light Glow. It looks like this. It is really nice. I swatched it at Ulta, and it was really nice, and it's going everywhere because it's kind of exploding. But anyways, I also heard Alana Davison rave about this, and honestly, it's just you're probably not gonna be able to tell, but yeah, it's just a glowy thing, a glow thing for your face, and it's very unnoticeably glowy, but it's still glowy. I've used this once under my foundation, and it made everything look so much better. It's kind of like the Charlotte Tilbury thing that everyone loves right now that I haven't been able to get because it's been out of stock. So yeah, I really wanted to try this out to see how it worked, and honestly, it works really well. It was really inexpensive. You can use this on its own, mixed with your foundation, under your foundation. You can use it to highlight your face if you just want a subtle glow, and you can use this on the rest of your body. So yeah, this is really good. It's pretty big. It's kind of the size of my head. My head's kind of small, but you know. Anyways, it's really good. I like it so far, and yeah, I think I'm really gonna enjoy this in the future when I wear it more. Okay, and then the last things for like base are these concealers. I got a lot. I have the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer. I didn't know that was the name of these, but these are really good. I used to have a shade of these, and then I ran out of it, but I do a little bit of freelance makeup, and it's graduation season here in Guatemala, so I have a few clients, and I just needed some concealers, so I bought a few shades. I only bought 5, and I'm gonna like mix them and stuff, and I'm gonna sneeze. these concealers are pretty affordable. They're really good. I like the quality of them. They cover very well, but they don't look cakey. And yeah, I got these at Ulta, and they were like buy one get one 50% off all NYX products, which was great. So yeah, I got these as well. They're amazing. I love them. And they're nothing new, but they're great. Also, on the realm of my freelance makeup thing, I just got these Real Techniques mini sponges. They're really cute, they're really practical. They're basically like beauty blender dupes, but they're small, so I can get like inside people's eye without hurting them or invading their space. So yeah, really like these, and they came like in a package, all 4 of these, which was great. Also, talking about NYX, I got the contour kit, also for my freelance kit. This is the Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I already used a little bit of it. That's why it's kind of dirty, but it looks like this. It has a lot of colors. It has 4 contour, 4 highlighter things. There are 2 matte highlighters and 2 shimmery ones, but honestly, really like this. The powders work really great. It was very inexpensive, and I think it's basically like if you're starting with makeup or if you're just becoming a makeup artist, this can be such a good palette. You can also like exchange the pans. You can change them according to your skin tone or your client's needs, which is cool as well. And yeah, it's a little big, but it's not that heavy, and I really like it. I also watch a lot of Jamie Page, and she has been raving about the Flower blushes. Oh, I said that weird. And these are the Flower Pots Powder Blush in Peach Primrose, and it looks like this. It looks like a flower, and it is so pretty. I really like it. It's peachy because peach is my religion, and it swatches very beautifully. It's really cute. Jamie was raving about it, and if Jamie loves it, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it too. So yeah, haven't put this on my face, but I'm really excited to. I haven't tried anything from Flower Beauty before, so I'm also excited to be trying this because it'll be my first Flower Beauty item. Next, also on the peach blush theme, I have to open this. I got the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush. This is in 191 Fantastical, and it looks like this. Pretty. It does smell like peach. Oh my god. It smells really good. This is another peachy blush. This one comes with a shimmer on it. And let's see how you swatch. Ooh, very pretty. Very pretty. It's this one right here. It's a little bit more pink than the other one, but I'm obsessed with the smell. I really don't like this. Like, what? Why are you doing this to me, L'Oreal? I look really bad. Anyways, yeah, I got this one. I really liked it. They have 4. I wanted all 4 of them, but I was like, you don't need more peach blush. So I only got 1, and I really like it. I really love it, and I didn't know they were scented, and that makes me really happy. Last but not least, I was looking for this everywhere. Nikkie Tutorials did a highlighting collab with Maybelline, and I really wanted the highlighter. It was an Ulta exclusive. I went to 3 Ultas and I couldn't find it, and I found it in the last one, and this was the last one of them. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in, what is the name of this? 250? In 250. Yep, and it looks like this. It is glowy perfection. I mean, I didn't expect anything else from Nikkie. Like, wow, this is crazy. Oh my god. It is pretty pale, but it is kind of like a pale gold color, and it looks pretty great. I really like the formula of these. I have the original one that came out. It's a little bit too dark for me now because I'm not tan, but this will work perfect for me all year round. Nikkie Tutorials is the best. She's the makeup queen, and I really wanted her collab with, I said that weird, didn't I? I just really wanted this highlighter, and I got it, and I cannot wait to put it on my face and be blessed by Nikkie Tutorials creation. I got a refill, not a refill, like a, this is a repurchase of my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. What can I say about this? It's great. It has coconut oil in it, and I really like how it smells. I still have my other one, but it's kind of starting to dry out and clump up, so I just got a refill, and that is this. Nothing new, nothing special, but this is great for every day, or if you want a little bit more drama. I really, really like it, and yeah, had to repurchase it because it's cheap and it works, you know? I love Pixie makeup. They've like revamped themselves recently, and I really enjoy everything that I've tried from them, and I really wanted to try these. These are the new Liquid Fairy Lights, and I got Bare Brilliance, which is this like, what is the name of this? Taupey color. Then this one in Passion Light, which is kind of red. And then I have this one in like green gold. This is Sunray. And yeah, they look amazing. They're kind of like dupes for the Stila Magnificent Metal. I think that's the name of them. But they're very cheap. They're a lot cheaper. And I got 3 to try them out. And let's swatch them. Okay, so here are the swatches right here. These are the 3. The only one that swatched really great was this taupey one right here. But the other 2, I don't know if you can tell, but they kind of like separated a little. You can see it kind of like separated there. I don't understand what the hell is going on. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna have to try these on my eyes. I don't know how well it's gonna go, but I am going to have to try them and let you guys know what I think of them. And then last drugstore product that I have, I also looked for everywhere and I couldn't find my shade until literally the last day I was in Austin. I went to the supermarket and I saw it. It's the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pen, and this is in deep brown. It looks like this. It is basically the thing with the tip, microblading brow thing tip. I don't know. I've heard a lot about this, and I cannot wait to put this on my brows. And ooh, wow, this is really cool. Let me do just like a single one. Look at that. Oh my god, it kind of looks like hair. So yeah, this is basically meant for your brows. It's a marker. It's meant to like simulate hairs. So you like stroke it on and it looks like hairs. I don't know how good that will look on my brows, but yeah, the color seems to be great and I am really excited to try it. I want to see how it changes my brows, if it makes them look more fluffy and feathery, and yeah, I'm excited for this. Maybelline is doing super cool things and I already said I'm excited, but I will say it again. I am excited. And that is it for today's drugstore haul, guys. I want to know, have you guys tried any of these products that I've talked about, and do you love them or do you hate them? I would really like your opinion down below. And if you have any other drugstore product that you're loving or you really want to try, I'd also love to know what it is. So comment away, people. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It gives me a lot of feedback on what you guys want to see and what you don't. And if there are any other videos you guys want me to film and you want to see from me, make sure to let me know as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My username is right here and the link is down below. And if you want to support me, which would mean the world, make sure to subscribe. The button's right there. Click it. Thank you all so much for watching. I really, really hope you enjoyed. I've missed filming. I haven't filmed in like a week. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.